Hello there. If you're a teacher where the bulk of your students' grades come from participation points, I'm going to show you a way how to set up your Canvas course so that it is going to be super easy for you to maintain and it's going to be a major time saver. It's also going to provide transparency so that students and parents can always see where their grade is. The first thing you need to do is you need to present a philosophical change to your students and to their parents. Retaining grades versus earning grades. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the whole semester. I'm going to give every student in the class full credit for each day, and then if they have a day where they're absent or they have a day where they don't complete one of the criterion, then they're going to lose points. I present it to students as, I trust you're going to be here, I trust you're going to do your job, and I know that you're going to retain these points so that you're able to have a strong grade at the end of the semester. I'm going to start off by setting up an assignment and title it with the date for the first day of class. Put in my criteria. You can see it's up to 5 points. You decide how you want to do that. And then I'm going to save and publish that. Back to my assignments button. Now I can go in and I can duplicate this and I can change the date. I'm going to continue to duplicate and then edit, change the name. Then when I go into my grade book, I've got those dates in place. I'm going to go in and I'm going to set a default grade. I'm going to put in the 5 points and it's going to go through the process to autofill everybody's score. And I'm going to do that for the whole semester. Again, it takes a few minutes up front, but then I'm not putting in grades every day. Then let's say I've got a day where a student is absent. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to change their grade to a 0. And I'm going to add a note in the comments that says absent or whatever they lost the points for. Super easy, super fast. Hope that helps. If you got questions, send me an email. Otherwise, good luck, and I hope this saves you some time. Bye.